Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris.
I'm Chance.
And today we're going to fix the damages to Edna from the blowout earlier this week. So far we got a temporary tire, just a used tire that we had put on in the meantime, because we have a whole new set coming. There's, we're still waiting on the new set to come in. So that's on. We got Edna, drivable again. We looked under Edna a little bit to see some of the damages. She seems drivable. Alignment is way off now, so we got to fix that. But other than that, we're going to get the bumper off, and we are going to see if we can't get that fender straightened out as good as possible, and then we'll go from there. But first, we found out there's a car show going on not too far from us this morning, so we figured we'd check that out before we get started. So, because procrastination. Alright, we're here at Philadelphia Baptist Church. Let's see where we're supposed to turn in here.
You've never been to this church, I don't think.
No, we've never been here before.
Alright, find us a good spot.
Hey, look, there's an F1 over there. This is like the first one we've ever seen at a car show. Well, there was that yellow one at Cars and Coffee, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Look. Edna.
We saw that one before, back before we started our channel. Remember we stopped and took pictures with it? This would be like the more correct style hubcap for Edna than what we have on there with the smoothies.
And Elgato.
Where'd Mary go?
I don't know.
We lost her. So I was a little bit nervous about bringing Edna to a car show with the front end damage right now. And then I figured we have a YouTube channel and thousands of people already know about it. So what's a few more? Ice Cream Garage has got 2 of these.
Are they this good in shape?
No. He's got one that he calls the Bland National, but I think he has another one that's nicer.
Are they both rusty?
One of them is.
This one's got scratches all over it. This is a tall car.
Mm-hmm.
Tall car. Their trunk's open.
Interior looks pretty nice in this. Packard Clipper. I don't think I've ever seen one before. It's a straight 8. Packard Thunderbolt. It's neat looking.
Dad, look at this blue.
You like the color on this one?
Yeah, it's blue. It almost looks black. It's a 65, Dad. Dad, was yours a convertible?
No, mine was a coupe.
What's that?
Hardtop, but it wasn't the fastback.
Same year though. Does it look like yours?
Auto tragic.
Auto tragic is for noobs.
Noobs. Yeah, we've seen this truck before.
Are those white walls?
Yeah,
They're real.
We're about to be in the real white wall club soon enough.
It's a 48. Dad, this one's a 48.
Oh, look, it's got split windshields, open separately. That's neat.
This is not auto tragic.
Nothing was auto tragic in those days. It's even got it stitched in the seats.
Where's the shifter? Oh, that's a steering.
It's like column shift, see?
Is it manual?
Yeah.
This car's in my game.
Watch out for that anthill.
I know.
That's cool.
Dad, this car's in my game.
It's in your game?
Yeah. What does that say? Bel Air?
Bel Air.
$55. I'm not a big fan of this color.
Not a big fan of what?
I don't like the color.
You don't like the color?
Not really.
Old Challenger.
Is this a contest thing? Because there's people with like their years and stuff.
Yeah, it's a car show.
Are we gonna enter?
No, we're not sticking around.
Dad, look, it's a car you want.
Oh, the Cobra?
Yeah. What is this thing?
Dodge Scat Pack.
Dad, what's this thing that are hanging off?
It's for the hood pins.
Sniff, but don't scratch.
We've seen this one at some shows.
Why is it opening up on the side?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it opened up on the side?
That's just how some hoods were back in the day.
Would you want one of these? Or probably not.
'46 Chevy.
Blue.
See, this one's got the jack points too instead of the bumperettes.
Why are they called the bumperettes?
Just because it's not a full bumper.
There's a scrunchie around it.
He must have his girlfriend with him.
or wife. You can see a hole through the car.
I'm telling you, I'll guarantee you there's vintage.
Is that exact car, this one right here?
Yeah.
How do they get those pictures?
They probably made it.
Sounds like something you should make. Dad, look at the shifter.
It's got pleated velour interior. That's it.
Dad, look at the shifter. Why do the seatbelts look like that? Whoa, Dad, look at this car. It's sparkly. I think it's a Camaro.
Yeah.
Is that the French flag? France?
No.
What is that?
Not in this case.
What is it?
A Camaro flag.
What?
Camaro flag.
Isn't it a country, though?
Very nice interior in here.
I'm the demo girl.
Wood looks pretty nice. Ranchero. Is it a car? Is it a truck? Go either way.
I like the Elgatos.
4-speed. Both of these are SS 396s. Camera died on us. There's no shade out here except near the building. So we had to wait for it to cool off. So we bought a Pelican snowball to cool down a little faster. So we got half the cars. So now we'll look at the other car. 4x4 square body is pretty clean. '54 Chevy pickup. Our bed wood used to look like that. .383 stroker. I think we've seen this Corvette at another car show.
Right there.
Hey, Mom.
This truck's kind of interesting because it's a little bit of everything. Got a Ford bed, Dodge logo, Chevy logo. It's got pistons for tail lights. That's interesting.
Dad.
Yeah.
It's gonna be funny when you go back in editing because you're probably gonna hear my crunching on the ice. And like this noise right here.
International. It's a serious grill.
It almost looks like Edna. Ugh.
54 Chevy. All right, that was enough goofing off for now. We had a good time here at the show.
I did.
And
We were so hot that I had to get Pelican stuff home.
yeah.
So shout out to them.
Now we got to go home and get dirty with trying to fix that.
Yeah, exactly. On a hot day too.
On a hot day. All right, let's assess the situation here. So the bumper is shoved back into the fender right here. This is a little off. I don't remember if it was off by much before. This is kind of out here, but I'm hoping we can kind of deal with this without having to take the whole fender off. But we're not really going to know too much until we get the bumper off. This is off from the way it should be. If you look at it kind of straight down, this should actually stick out further than the bumper, but it looks like that kind of got pinched out a little bit. Yeah, so if you look at it there, you can see it sticks out a little further than the fender.
So we have to take the entire bumper off?
Yeah, once we get the bumper off, we'll know a little better what we're up against. The hood line is off. It's pushing up right here, like touching right there. Mary pointed out that it could be because of the pressure from the bumper. Once the bumper comes off, that'll take all the pressure off of here, and then things might be in a more relaxed.
How do we get the bumper off? Can I do it?
We got our... Yeah, all we got to do is, this thing's already going the right way. We just got to put it under here and put it on the nut, and then loosen these up.
Actually, you do that.
Yeah, maybe you could do it. Maybe you got more strength than me.
Well, nah. So it goes this way?
Yeah, it's already going in the right direction. You just got to put it under there.
Is this thing hot?
No.
Is that thing hot? I don't know where to put it. I think I got it. I gotta find it. Okay, it's in.
You got this. Take the nut off.
I got it.
How'd you do that?
Guess I'm better.
All right, we'll get 3 more to go.
My hands are stronger. I got it.
2 more.
Okay, I'm turning this one again.
All right, they're all out now. But since there's tension here, there's tension on all the bolts. They don't want to just come out yet. That was loose.
Oh wow, they're a lot smaller than I thought. I think they were tall. Now I have the bolts.
All right.
Is this stuff just gonna fall on our feet after they all come out?
All right, since the bumper's pushing right here, there's tension on all the bolts, so we're kind of having to finagle them out. They're not just coming right out.
Oh yeah, those are in there.
Yeah, they don't want to come out very well. Out of there.
Can they like turn the screw out?
Once we get past the shoulder, maybe.
Ooh.
Okay, there's one.
Yes. I want that to drop on me. Okay, third one.
There we go. All right, that's a little better. All right, get rid of that thing.
Oh, I can throw this thing out. Yay!
Okay, so here's our bumper assessment.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, the fender looks a lot better now. It's not near as bad as it was. I mean, it's still touching a little bit here, but the gap is back there, so it must have dropped down some. All right, so Chance came up with this idea using the suction cup gun type deal. So we're gonna see if that works to try to pull this back out. See if you can put it right here, I guess.
Okay. It has to be in a spot that's like kind of flattish.
Yeah, try to get it in a flat spot. Go a little lower than that.
There.
But not in the, you don't want to get it in the groove. Maybe right, yeah, right about there.
Yeah. Okay. Gotta find a different spot then.
What is it? Here.
If it feels like it's going in hard, that means it's gonna work.
There's not one to grab. Alright, I guess that's not going to work. That doesn't want to stick. It's too round. Alright, grab it on each side of the pinch, which I guess this would be the pinch here.
So I grab underneath it?
Yeah, with both hands. Put one hand on one side, one hand on the other.
Okay. Got it?
Now start jerking on that thing like a wild monkey. Hard as you can. Put your back into it.
What if I break it?
You're not going to break it. There you go. Whoa, yeah, that was looking good there.
Ah. Need gloves.
Need gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we got a little bit of a rip there, maybe. If we have to, we can always weld that back up. Let me put the emergency brake on. Maybe it won't roll as much. Yeah, Chance's suction cup idea works, just not where we need it.
See? It works, but it's not working right there. It has to get like a
I think it's too much curve right there.
It has to get a full surface, Dad.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Back to the hands. Okay, here we go.
You want me to try?
Sure. Where are you standing? Well, holy cow, you're doing it. I think you almost did it, Dad. You hold that. Let me try it. Okay. You think you even did anything, or you think it still looks the same?
No, it looks a lot better, I think. It's coming out.
From you.
You were coming it out. You got most of it out. I had to do the fine tuning. All right, so if you look here, it sticks out a little bit too much here. There's a pinch right there. So we gotta get rid of that pinch and push that back in. Here, you take that.
Holy.
Apparently I didn't get all that pressure washed out. See, it's getting a little straighter. Not poking out as far now.
Yeah.
See if we can straighten the pinch out a little bit here. It's like rolling a fender. Let me hit it with this again. It looks a lot better now. It's not sticking out anymore.
Except for this.
Yeah, we're still.
That's the one thing that I kind of want to be looking better.
Here, get the broom real quick.
Yeah. Where is it?
It's inside. Yeah, that's a big improvement getting that corner back in. All right. Chance is small, so he's going under there.
Going under here to basically use this as a hammer and hit this for it to hopefully pull this out.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing these glasses because
Try to hit it right on top of the pinch.
we have our safety glasses as these right now. Okay.
Think you can hit it? You got enough room?
I can definitely see where the dent is going out. But I don't want most of that to fall under me, so I'm going over here. Golly, that's a whole bunch of stuff getting all over me.
You want me to try?
No, I can do it. Is it coming out at all?
You got to hit it as hard as you can.
I feel like I can line it up right here. Is it coming out?
Or no? Hang on a second. I'm going to move the wheels.
Alright, so now he's going to try it because it's not doing very well.
I got no room to hit it.
Definitely looks like the harder we hit it, it'll do better. You said you have no room to hit it, though?
Let me see what I can do here. Maybe. There's a pinch right at the bottom where the rip is. Like right there. Let me see if I can hit that out a little bit. Hopefully I don't mess it up too much. Literally the wheel is right where we need it to be. Might have to take that off.
Take the wheel off?
Yeah.
If we turn it here, you hold this. Watch. If you turn it this way, you can
Chance got
stick
this figured out.
your arm further, more. It's just yanking back.
Look funny in my sunglasses. Or in my glasses.
Do I? That looks almost bent. Where are we at now? Because it's just gonna yank all the way back. Is it turned?
I think we're better off taking the wheel off.
Look how much, let's see how much this thing turns. That looks really cool. Can I try that?
Yeah. You just hold it, spin it.
Does it spin with your hand?
Yeah, you just don't hold the
Things
one
so
part.
tight.
Yeah, you don't hold it tight. You're just holding it up.
I should record me doing this.
I am.
Oh, where? Oh.
Now we can get in there a little bit better.
Trying to see what I look like. Baby Clark Kent with blonde hair. This are my glasses.
All right. Before we get under there, let's put a jack stand underneath the frame rail.
What does that do? What does that do, Dad?
We're going to take a jack stand, put it under the frame rail. That way, if the jack fails, that'll catch it.
Has the jack ever failed?
I'm sure they have. I've never had one fail.
But you have one just in case it ever happens?
Yeah. For safety.
You need the glasses?
No, I think I'm all right. Anything happening out there?
I'm looking. Not yet so far. Okay, that did something. Oh, it's getting there. Oh, it's getting there. Hit it more of where, like, it goes in the middle part where it's like it's already up a little bit, and on the other side it's up a little bit. Here, look. I'll guide your fingers. Let me see your hand. You see where this line type thing is right there? Try to hit that area. Because that's still deep. That was your watch that fell on you.
Anything changes? You getting any better?
Maybe? Can't really tell.
Here, let me have the glasses. Stuff's starting to fall on me.
It definitely looks smoother. Oh wow, it is getting dirty down there. There's a lot of stuff under the truck.
I remember the bumper was hitting it right there. There's a scratch there and a scuff there.
It's not that bad.
No, it's not the end of the world. It's getting pretty tough right in there.
Look at that.
Piece of Bondo
What's Bondo?
for filling holes.
Right in the other. I don't know. Yay. I don't know. How are we going to get this thing out?
It's getting there.
You can tell it's moving?
Slowly, yeah. Gonna have to order a center link. It's bent.
Can you not fix them?
I don't see any other damage.
I don't know why, but I feel like I almost never noticed this. The letters that spell Ford. I feel like I never noticed that.
Yeah?
Like, if I had to draw the most realistic picture of Edna, I feel like that would be the one thing I'd forget.
Let me have that.
I'm gonna get your watch.
Alright, so you can see right here that the center link
It's cracking.
has got a nice little curve to it now, so I'm gonna have to order a new one of those from Speedway. That's where that one came from.
What Speedway?
That's where I ordered some of the parts from.
Oh.
Pretty good bit of mud still up in there. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do right here, because I don't even know 100% sure what this is supposed to look like right here. It's a little messed up. That's gonna take a little more work.
Gets big anymore.
No, that's a lot better. We're probably doing everything wrong, I'm sure, but
We're doing what we can do in South Carolina.
that's what we can with what we got.
Later.
Alright, so it's the next day. We're gonna get started on this again. I'm gonna start. I think what we might try real quick is, you see this corner right here? Think you can get to there from underneath?
Maybe.
What you're gonna do is take this and kind of stick it up into that corner and then hit it with a hammer and see if you can kind of knock that back over that way.
Wait.
It's gonna be questionable. Alright, so you're getting up into that corner up there. It's up above the headlight.
I see the headlight.
To up here. Basically, you're getting into here because this got shoved over this way.
Okay. Trying to see if I can find where the shove is.
Looks like you got plenty of room. You're small.
See if this works. Oh, it's hot up here.
Hot up there?
Yeah, I touched the metal under here. It's hot.
Oh.
You want me to just
Try it again and I'll see if it looks like it gets any smaller from up here.
I feel like I could do it better if I just use the hammer.
I don't think you can get the hammer up there.
Yeah, I can. Look. Oh. Is it shaking where I'm supposed to be putting it?
Well, I can't really. I see some shaking, but I can't tell if anything's happening.
Oh, it's happening. I'm doing it. It's actually pushing in. Can I get the safety glasses?
Yeah.
I actually saw them.
Give me a second. I'll run in and get them.
Are you trying to get this to go down or something?
Basically, what we're doing is we're trying to get this closer together. See how it's kind of pulled apart and the gap's real big?
Yeah, but the other one's like that too. See, look.
It doesn't seem as bad though, does it?
Oh yeah, I can stick my left hand more down the hole, unless they're not even.
Yeah.
Put 2 fingers right there and try to line them up. Yeah, maybe this one's like tighter, I think. So you're
basically you're trying to kind of
get it to go.
Get the whole fender to go back that way more.
You're telling me, or these things where you can't really see a hole in that. What was that?
Don't know.
All right, I'm getting back down. All right, back to work. Gotta get it fixed. Ow. anything?
I don't know. I don't think so. We're going to try using a smaller block than the big block we used yesterday. So we're going to use this part of an old pallet. See if you can put it on the seam on the inside under here. And see if you can hammer that any better.
Like here?
Yeah, like on the crease part.
Yeah. Inside actually looks like it's doing something.
Get something in your eye?
Something big. Almost went in my eye. I think the safety glass caught it though and pushed it on the other side where it just went down this part. I'm using it as a hammer. I'm holding this as if it's a handle and I'm using the nails.
I'm thinking at some point we'll have to get in here and weld that crack, because otherwise that's probably just going to...
Get bigger each time.
It'll need a little bit of work. You can actually buy this whole panel.
I like the nails is what's not actually helping it.
Like I think it's $145, and you get the whole lower fender all the way up to here. Mine is weirdly welded to the middle panel for some strange reason. I don't know why. So I'm sure that'd be fun to take out. But I think what we want to do is try to fix the original panel, because we don't need like a brand new panel in the middle of all this if we can avoid it. This back here, what did I do with those pliers?
I'm gonna get back to hitting.
This has definitely had a rough day back here. I don't even know what this is supposed to look like.
How does it get pushed in that hard?
This is just asking for somebody to walk into it.
And that's gonna hurt. These nails is in the way.
Huh?
These nails are in the way.
They're big?
They're like just in the way. Like, how do you get them out? What's the back of the hammer for?
Pulling nails out.
It's not working.
Oh, what that is. Exactly.
Keep going.
That's gonna have to... I don't know what to do yet on that.
Dad, what are you doing?
Trying to fix this corner.
What do I do?
The handle. I wonder what happens if I just hit it right here. Well, it looks a little straighter. It don't look good, but it looks a little straighter. Wonder how the hood closes now.
Is it gonna close?
Look, we got our gap back. That fixed the gap problem back here. It's not touching anymore.
Do you like that?
It's supposed to be like that.
Is that good?
We're making improvements here.
Okay, you hold this and you tell me what to do.
Alright, what do you think we should do next?
Put the wheel back on?
You're ready to go to the bike park, aren't you?
Yeah.
Alright, that doesn't look great, but I also don't know how to fix it yet.
It may not look great, but we still made like at least
like
a percentage or two of progress.
It kind of curled up a little bit in the back in a weird way. let's actually.
Well, Dad, I figured out I can carry this thing.
All right, so that's mild improvement.
Look, Dad, I can pick up the wheel. Watch. Oh my gosh. But I can do it.
All right, so I don't know what to do on that corner yet. I'm going to have to think on that a little more. And we're going to have to do a little fine tuning on the main dent. I haven't ordered the new bumper yet, so we still, I'll have it soon, is what I'm saying. And I think for now, we're going to throw this wheel back on, call it done for now, because I know Chance wants to go to the bike park, and I promised the other kids we'd go too. But this is probably going to be several parts to this, just because...
This is a minor progress thing done, but
yeah,
we've still done something at least.
We're making progress. We're going to repaint these.
Very slow progress, but we're still doing something.
Yeah, we're going to repaint these frame horns before the new bumper goes on. We're probably going to have these right here.
Okay.
And then we're going to have to put a weld in here or something to get that to go back together. I haven't figured out how I want to do that yet.
I don't think I've ever welded something before.
We'll see. So yeah, so Edna's going to need a little more work before she's back where we want her to be. Let's get this wheel back on.
Like something. Do you like the yellow wheels on Edna?
I didn't until we got the white walls.
So they look good with the white walls?
Yeah. Like they look super yellow just by themselves with the black wall.
Yeah.
But the white wall really kind of breaks it up a little bit, makes it look better.
Third one. I think I'm becoming you. My hands.
Hands don't always look like that.
Not mine. Mine don't look like this a lot. Not unless I'm...
So you're not putting in enough work, is what you're saying? We need to get you...
No,
we need to get you in the dirt, doing the dirty work more often.
Normally stuff we do on the truck is a lot more things that I can't do that you can do because it's like heavy stuff.
Well, we gotta get all this swapped out to where you're doing all the work and I just hand you tools.
That's how it should be.
That's how Grandpa did it.
That's how it should be right now.
You should be doing all the work?
Yeah, me. Having fun. Seems more fun when I do most of the work. All right.
Now you can take the lug wrench and put it on there and basically do the reverse spin like you did yesterday when you took it off.
I think it's left now. Or is it still?
No, it's still going the same way.
Okay. Oh, well that makes sense because...
The way you just turned them on.
Yeah.
13/16 is the one you want to put on there.
13/16.
Yeah, you got the right one.
Told you.
I think that's right.
See how smart I am? Okay, I'm going to stand up and do this because I don't like these rocks. Can you hold the wheel, Dad?
Yeah, well, you don't have to go all the way tight yet. We just got to get them snugged down. Like, move on to another one.
Okay.
We have to put it back on the ground to tighten them the rest of the way. You just got to get them snug for now.
I don't know if All right, so we're gonna call it done for now. This is still a work in progress. We're probably gonna do like different parts of this to like make it through the end because this would be a very long video if we just did this an entire thing. Because I mean, this is the second day we've worked on this because it was getting close to dark, and we don't like to normally film when it's dark because like you can't see as much. Plus the videos will just be boring. But we're gonna try to figure out how to get these dents out.
Yeah, we got to order a few parts. we're gonna research a little more on some better ways to fix some stuff for some fine tuning on like that crease that's in the front. And so we'll bring you guys along for the journey. This was some unexpected content we're gonna be doing. Like I always say, there's adventures everywhere. You just gotta look for
find
them. Yeah, we weren't looking for this adventure, but here we
still
are.
did an adventure though. That was yesterday though.
Yeah. So if you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like the video,
Share with
comment.
your friends.
Yeah, share it for your friends. Really helps out the channel a lot. We're actually only 4 subscribers from hitting 1,500, which is really exciting.
Yeah, because that means we'll be halfway to 2,000, even though halfway to 2,000 is 1,000, but we consider it that way because we're YouTubers.
Yeah, so that'll be great because that'll mean that we got 500 subscribers in less than 6 months, as long as we do it before the end of the month. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.